Okay guys, today we're gonna reset the maintenance required that appears on the dashboard on the screen. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset that one when you do the oil change for a Honda Pilot. Let's do it. Okay guys, today we're gonna reset the maintenance due from the screen of the dashboard. Okay, first thing you have to do, turn on the car, and then you will see that sign. You can see it, maintenance due soon. Okay, so first thing you have to go to the home, press the home, and then go to the settings. Okay, now after that go to vehicle, and then maintenance info, click that one, and then it says oil filter and tire rotation. So if you already did the oil change, do the tire rotation, okay? And then click reset, and then we would like to reset. Yes, reset, boom, and that's it. Let's go to the home and look at this. No more maintenance due on the dashboard. Amazing. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay guys, that's how to reset the screen for the Honda Pilot when you do the oil change. Okay, but remember, you have to do the oil change and the tire rotation. Okay, let me know what you think on the comments. If you have a question, put in the comments too. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.